Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy Echelon Prime coin. Now to get this coin, open up your browser and log on to coinmarketcap.com and you'd find the Echelon coin price, and when you scroll down, you'd also find its contract address. Now the contract address we're going to be working on a decentralized exchange is with its base contract address. So copy its base contract address. Once this has been copied, simply scroll down to the market area and you'd find where this coin is being traded on. So for the decentralized exchange, we have Uniswap, we have Coinbase, we have Bybit, and a lot of other decentralized exchanges. For the centralized exchange, we're going to be working with Bybit for today's video. So we're going to be going with Bybit. Minimize and open up your Bybit platform. And once you've opened up Bybit, make sure you have an account on Bybit. If you do not have an account on Bybit, by using our link in the description of the video, you stand a chance to claim 5,030 USDT worth of welcome gifts and bonuses when you register and verify your account using our link. So guys, you're on Bybit. How can you buy the Echelon Prime coin? All you need to do is simply click on the deposit option and you're met with the option to deposit crypto. So let's say you hold some USDT, BNB, Ethereum, Bitcoin. Any cryptocurrency assets you hold outside of Bybit can be deposited here, simply using your wallet address to receive this token and then convert it into the USDT. Or you could buy the USDT using the P2P option. P2P is basically converting or swapping your fiat currency into cryptocurrency. So if you have $1, £1, $1 Canadian, you could convert that into USDT and you'd get yourself some crypto. It works the same with your Visa card or MasterCard. This is just basically them charging you directly from your card. All right, guys. So once you've gotten yourself some cryptocurrency on your centralized exchange, head over to the market section. Use the search icon to search for Prime. So make sure you search for Prime in order to trade the Echelon token. So simply search for Prime USDT and now select Prime USDT on the spot. So click on this and then click on the limit where we have buy. Click on limit and select market. We select market so we can buy it at the current price of the market without having to set any take profit or stop loss. We're just buying at the direct price it sells on the market. So now all you need to do is now enter an amount of USDT you wish to buy it for and simply click on buy Prime. So guys, that's how you can get yourself some Echelon Prime on a centralized exchange. For a decentralized exchange, minimize and open up your MetaMask. So we're going to be working with the MetaMask application for the decentralized exchange. So click on MetaMask. All right, so once your MetaMask app has opened up, make sure you've set up your account and you've deposited some Ethereum on the Base network. To do that, click on the network toggle at the top of the screen, scroll through and select Base. If you cannot find Base, click on the Add Network and you'd find Base as a network you can add. So click on Add, click on Confirm and simply switch to the network. The Base Ethereum is different from the standard Ethereum, so you're going to have to click on the buy option to get yourself some of the Base Ethereum. You can get it via your credit card, just like how you did on the centralized exchange. You can get it via your credit card, or you can buy it using their third-party options that make use of your credit card or a P2P transfer. There's also an option to make use of Google Pay to get yourself some Base Ethereum. All right, so once you've gotten yourself some Base ETH and you're on the Base network, the browser icon at the bottom right, click on this icon. Use the search toggle at the bottom of the screen to simply search for Aerodrome. So search for Aerodrome. So once aerodrome.finance has opened up, click on connect and then use the browser wallet. And then click on connect once more. And then you're going to be asked to sign in. So click on sign in. Sign this. All right, so with this platform, you could easily use your Ethereum tokens, that's your base Ethereum tokens, to get some of the Echelon Prime coin. To do this, click on the arrow at the bottom and simply paste the contract address for the Echelon Prime token we had copied from the CoinMarketCap. So paste the contract address. Once it's been pasted, simply select the token, which is the Prime. So click on Prime and then enter the amount of ETH you wish to use for this transaction and simply convert it into the Echelon Prime token by a simple swap, and you'd find the Echelon Prime on your wallet when you head over to the bottom left. If you can't find it, click on the import tokens option, click on custom token, paste the contract address for the Echelon token and click on next. Click on next once more. It says Prime, click on import, and you'd find your Prime tokens here after you convert at the Aerodrome Finance. So guys, that's how you can go about this. Do comment down below if you have a question, and don't forget to like and subscribe.